Hello sellers, welcome to Builderfly Seller University. In this video tutorial, you will learn to customize your online store to add a personal touch and maintain design aesthetics. To start with the store customization, go to Website under Build. Here, click Customize to navigate to the Builderfly Design Editor. From here, you can change the look and feel of your online store in your own way. You can see that you are updating your homepage for now. You can choose the page from this drop-down section, the ones you like to add it. From these left side options, you can one by one update these settings, starting with the color theme. Click on Theme. Click on the Select Color to choose the theme color from any of the pre-decided color options we have available for you. You can try implementing these like this. Click Custom Color to change the color for different sections and CTAs distinctly. If you like to add a background image to your website, you can hit on the toggle button here. You can add images, video, and solid colors in the background. To select images for the background, you can choose from here or click Upload to add custom images. You can add link to the YouTube video here and upload one from the desktop on your own. Also, you can choose from the solid color for the background by clicking the color section here. Next is the header section. Here, you can click on Select Template to choose the template for your website's header. You can scroll down and choose any one from the available templates. Click Logo here and you can see the brand's logo in place of the logo. If you like to update the name of your store only, you can try that too. If the size of your uploaded logo is larger, you can resize the logo image from here only. Click the favicon icon. You can update the concise version of your brand's logo here. You can show or hide the top links you want to show in the header from here. Also, you can freeze the header and enable or disable the search option using the toggle button from here. Next, select the menu. You can drag and drop different category pages that you like to display in your website's menu. This will change the sequence in which they appear on your website. Clicking the settings icon, you can update page info, change the name of the page, and choose to hide from the navigation or delete this page. If you like to create a new page similar to this page, you can go to Duplicate. Update the name of the new page and click Duplicate. Under the SEO tab, you can update meta tags for each of your web pages and improve their organic ranking on SERPs. If you like to create new categories or add new products, you can click in here. And you will be redirected to the categories and product catalog section of your store. Now click Settings. From here, you can choose the menu style you like to implement for your e-commerce website. The classic menu is the regular menu style and mega menu is the e-commerce menu style. For either of the menu styles, you can click View to see the ready menu patterns we have available for you. You can choose any one and apply it to your website. You can customize your menu, choosing the menu text color and background color as per your choice. Time to personalize your website's slider banners. Click Slides, and from here, you can update and manage your slider settings. Click Select Templates to choose the banner template of your choice and apply it. You can drag and drop your banner sliders to change their display sequence. Click on this drop-down arrow to edit a particular slider. Click Change to choose a different image for your slider banner. You can choose ones from our image library or upload your personalized banner images by clicking Upload. When you click on the settings icon, you can add it to your existing banner image, resize and change the overlay colors, and maintain overlay opacity from here. You can update image text overlay settings and add call to action text and link to which you want your user to while editing text to the slider images. You can choose font style and update typography settings from here. Click on Add Slide and you can add as many sliders as you want. Click on Advanced Settings to select the slider effect. You can change slider visibility duration from here. Choose pagination options and use the Select User Control Styles from here. Click Apply to implement all these changes. Click Footer to select templates to update your website's footer section. Update your store's address, contact number, social profiles, about us, contact email address, copyright details in here. You can use the toggle button to enable or disable any of these sections or information as per your choice. Now go to Settings. Here, you can choose the website's display layout, whether you want a box layout or full width. In the social media section, you can select your social media handles here and choose the icon style to customize the section. Boost your performance from the Performance tab. Set default bot options for page links from here. Connect Google Analytics from here. Add code to your Google AdWords account from here. Here you can update your Facebook Pixel code and save it to connect Facebook Pixel for better understanding of your user demographics. If you know CSS or JavaScript to customize your website's design layout, you can make changes and updates here. Click Edit to make changes and click Save to update and implement them. Clicking these view options, you can visually perceive how your website will look across multiple device configurations. See all of them centrally clicking Multi-View. Your online store will have multiple pages and you are free to add as many pages as you like to. Go to Add Pages from here. You can select Blank Page Template or choose the type of pages or template options that we have available for you. And then you can edit that page as per your choice. You can do a lot more with Builderfly Design Editor, like customization of each of the product category pages, cart and checkout pages, and so on. First, we want you to try this on your own so you actually understand how easy Builderfly made designing an online store for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Builderfly Seller University and hit the bell icon to get notification for our upcoming videos in advance, so you won't miss any of the tutorials and go hand in hand with us designing your store and growing your business in this digital era. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next tutorial.